Here we go, there's Jason and Luke getting the launch pad ready for the third and final launching. We are attempting for a new world record height without the airplanes. Here they come, they're walking back.
Let Grandpa launch it, okay?
Here we go, we're getting ready for the launch.
Okay, Grandpa's gonna launch.
Okay.
So you just have to push, this is the key, the safety key.
Yeah.
You have to push it down hard, the light bulb will come on, and that'll mean it's active.
Okay.
So whenever the countdown's over, just let it rip.
Okay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition!
Where is it? Whoa! It went higher. Are they gonna get it? Oh! Did you catch it? Oh! Nice catch. There's Kane over there. You just barely got it, huh?
Yeah. Almost fell.
Did the piece of paper come that time? That's not it, I don't think.
Yeah, it
Is it?
is. This is the one.
No,
Oh, that's
no,
awesome.
that's trash.
Where it went.
Yeah.
That went really high.
Yeah, it went a lot higher without those things on, huh? Sweet. That was fun.
Yeah.
It changed directions about 10 feet up, down.
Oh yeah?
Eddie?
That one went